Welcome to our biochar demonstration. Our group is drinking hot cider warmed by this biochar kiln, and we're also boiling beer broths, broth and beer. These are our other demonstration burns, the Thailand trough, and then we also have the 55-gallon cutout Brian just made. So we are making lots of char. We are using charcoal we've made to grill the brats. And most importantly, this demonstration shows how much waste wood that would otherwise go in a landfill that Brian and I salvaged from a construction site last week. It was 2 truckloads. A lot of it has nails, but we can take those out with magnets. We're separating some of the plywood offcuts, but this is just one example. I mean, most of it we've burned, but how much would otherwise just go in a landfill? So this workshop also included making your own potting mix and also worm bin composting in a garbage can. No, actual just composting. Show notes will be in the details, but this is just an overview of the combinations to make compost in a garbage can, air holes. They're all gardeners here. Good chit chat.
Around most construction sites, you find lots of little pieces, and that's the point.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's make use of the little pieces.
So you just go to a construction site and...
Yeah, that's what they did.
That's what we did.
And then you just ask, can I have your cutoff piece?
He's like, come and get it. So we were picking them up from the ground because they're just thrown out. And when they do clean up, they didn't have a system. There were just piles everywhere. It was a little chaotic.
So they're happy you get it because they don't have to go to the dump.
Well, yeah, and there's less cleanup for whoever was paid to clean up. Yep.
Oh, and by the way, if you'd like to have a sturdy pink chair, take one home with you. Do we have any use for those, or are we giving them away, or what?
Laura wants to keep 8 of them. 6 of them.
6 of them. Okay.
So we are checking on the broths. I believe they are boiling. I'm just going to give them 10.
Why don't we... Oh, you're busy. You're all right.
I am recording just a short little
What are we doing?
summary of our event today. How did it go, Brian? Or how did it go, Gary?
Well, I think it's gone really well. Only thing is we could use a whole lot more people and get this biochar message out worldwide, all over the place.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I agree. Clean burn. This was all like kiln dried material used at like all of this stuff. So we've had success in creating clean burn. Cooler has more broth in case we were ravished from all of this intense work. And thanks for watching.